Alright guys, how to use apps on the cover screen of the Z Flip 7 here. So we're going to go to settings, scroll down, we're going to go to advanced features, click labs, and then we'll see an option right here, apps allowed on cover screen. We're going to toggle that on to yes, and then we're going to actually click on it. So you can see we have some stock applications like Maps, Messages, Netflix, YouTube here, but we want to allow all apps. So we're going to click Get Multi-Star, and we're going to download this in the Galaxy Store. So we're going to go ahead and install that. Alright, so then we're going to go back to our allow apps, and then we're going to click Get Multi-Star again. Now we have a new launcher widget that will pop up here. So we can just pretty much add whatever apps we want, you know, from our phone on here. So if you want to add Instagram or, you know, whatever we want. YouTube Music, let's add the settings on here, and then we're gonna make sure we click enable launcher widget. So now we're gonna back out of this, close our phone, and then we're gonna scroll, and then we're gonna add a new page. So click edit, and let's remove this one, and then we're gonna add a new page, and then you can see our multi-star will be right here. Let's go ahead and find it. Multi-star launcher, and then boom, you guys can see the applications that we installed is now here. So now when we close our phone, do it again, you can see now those applications are here. Turn the brightness up. You can click on it. Now the thing about this is that everything is not going to look right on this screen, right? Some stuff will look fine, like Subway Surf looks perfectly fine, but all applications won't like function right because the camera will cut it off and stuff like that. So I think once the, you know, flip phones become, you know, a thing, then it'll maybe more applications will be compatible. But for right now, you know, it looks okay. Like YouTube Music, let's see, yeah, that looks fine. But sometimes it'll just look weird, right? But so far everything looks, you know, pretty good on some of these applications. So yeah guys, definitely check it out. Let me know what you guys think.